Here I've got HUAWEI Honor 20, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at first you have to go to the settings. From the following list, select apps, and now go to the apps, to the first icon, click on the More tab, which is here, and now select the last option, which is Reset App Preferences. As you can see, this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default apps, background data restriction for apps, and also permission restrictions. However, you will not lose any app data. So if you truly want to perform it, if you truly want to reset apps, click on Reset. And that is all. Preferences for all your apps have been reset. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.